You design a flawless formulation in the absolute silence of a sterile lab, only to watch it completely shatter the very second it hits the deafening velocity of a live manufacturing line. Freshly applied coatings suddenly blister under the heat, heavy layers sag off the raw metal, and critical adhesion drops to zero without warning. Your foundational chemistry isn't broken, but the brutal, high-stakes environments these systems are forced to survive in have radically shifted beneath your feet.
OnlyTRAININGS. Learn what works in the industry.
These physical failures stem directly from an impossible war of mandates dragging your formulas in opposite directions. Aggressive sustainability targets clash against unrelenting durability requirements, while razor-thin cost efficiency margins squeeze every decision you make. Traditional single-variable optimization is dead, leaving formulation teams trapped in a relentless cycle where fixing a flow problem quietly destabilizes the long-term cure. As soon as regulatory pressures force you to alter proven legacy chemistry, the entire system begins to fracture. You rapidly strip out critical stabilizers to meet strict low-VOC standards, or rush to substitute in unproven PFAS-Free technologies. Pushing for a faster oven cure instantly destroys the coating's structural reliability, and introducing a new waterborne binder compromises foundational humidity resistance overnight. For exhausted product development teams, tweaking a single variable to achieve compliance almost guarantees an unpredictable, massive failure somewhere else on the factory floor. The hidden interactions finally ambush your team at the exact unforgiving moment the spray gun hits the moving assembly line. Erratic process conditions, unpredictable curing behaviors, and aggressive production timelines collide violently under the nozzles. These deep, compounding failures are completely invisible in isolated lab data, and you will not find the answers in academic textbooks written a decade ago. Escaping this trap requires leaving theoretical chemistry behind and adopting hard-won, practical intelligence forged directly in the heat of active scale-up. Stop relying on reactive guesswork and start engineering control over the chaos. Train with the OnlyTRAININGS expert team, active professionals who successfully navigate these exact scale-up nightmares on the line every single day. Industrial Coatings, formulation strategies for balancing sustainability, performance, and efficiency, is your master blueprint for advanced troubleshooting and complete manufacturing control. Enroll today to unlock the field-tested additive strategies and resin selection frameworks waiting on the